So 1.5 million?
Yeah.
Is this confirmed by others?
I got 1.575.
1.575. So yeah, so we'll say roughly 1.5 million because our probabilities here are actually not entirely accurate. If you look at the race counts, there's small adjustments, but approximately 1.5 million. And what's the expected value if we don't race?
727,000. 710, shouldn't it?
No, but because we're still viewing this as a sum cost, right? So like, you can imagine subtracting 80,000 off of the 1.5, but Pat, you didn't subtract that off that 1.5 earlier, did you? No, okay. So we could subtract it from each of these, but the difference between them would be still be the same, right? So 790,000 is our expected value if we don't race. So that's an easy expectation because it certainly happens. This is approximately 1.5 million. Okay, so now we've got some probabilities on the board, put some numbers to it. I want to try the vote again. You guys have gotten warmed up, reloaded your cache on this case, and seen some hard numbers. Who would choose to race? Raise your hand if you would choose to race. All right, so Will, you changed your mind?
Yeah.
Everybody else stayed the same, I think, right? So Will, I'm curious, what changed your mind?
Just looking at the numbers, there were things about underlying data in the case that I didn't factor in. I think I was a little risk averse.
Okay.
Based upon the amount of debt that the team had.
Sure.
And the fact that if they did not win or finish in the top 5, how much they had to lose.
Sure.
So once you look at it, mapping out the probabilities of finishing and not finishing, I changed my mind.
Cool. Ryan, you did not change your mind. I'm curious. You initially were pretty focused on the 800,000 being a negative thing, but then you got this big positive thing. So why? Sticking to your guns is great, but I just want to understand kind of why you're still viewing it that way.
The thing that I was thinking about was in a probability class, there was a case mentioned that like expected value, if it's especially a one-time scenario, like one instance, then expected value sure can provide you will be the most expected outcome, but you're not running multiple trials, you're running one trial.
Sure.
So like if I offered you, you have a 10% chance of winning $1 million with a 90% chance you're gonna lose everything you have in your life. Like, yeah, your expected value is still $100,000, but you've only got one chance.
Yeah.
So even though the number is more positive on the due race, it's not over multiple trials, it's over one.
I see, but here, there's a little bit difference here. Like here we have a 30% chance of losing everything, right?
Yeah.
70% chance of being at least, of being strictly better than down here. Mm-hmm. But you're right. We should consider this. Like if we were doing this race a million times, I think we should all say race.
Yeah.
Because averages would kick in, and we would end up with on average $1.5 million. But we're not. This is one time. And if we blow a gasket, then we're out, right?
Yeah, you're done.
This is, we probably can't survive another season with this, right? Okay. So you say don't race.
Look, if I were the manager and I knew there was a 30% chance that the entire team would be gone next season, then I'd be like, let's take the remaining time and see if you can get the 30% way lower.
Gotcha. Okay, so save some time, work out the head gasket issue, live the race another day.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because then you got another season.
Sorry guys, I'm getting a call real quick. Sorry. Hello? Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll tell them. I've just been informed that there was some late breaking news about this case. We've just had a conversation with the pit crew, and he thinks that you guys should know about it. So if you guys could pass this out, take about 5 minutes and read through it.
What fantastic showmanship.
I'd like to thank the Academy for the nomination. Everybody get a
You guys leave one for Mark?
Yeah.
So you have about 5 minutes to read through. There's a front and back.
This side.
The front and back, yeah.
Excellent, thank you. I was going to ask.